This meditation is good for activating the parasympathetic nervous system. The parasympathetic nervous system is that relaxation part of our nervous system. And you'll find that in our society today and the energy of the planet and what we are being spiritually asked to do and to deliver really ignites the sympathetic part of the nervous system so that often relaxation can be really difficult. So, this meditation is great for addressing that imbalance. And when we're processing a lot of trauma, generally that can also, those cortisol levels, it can keep our like fight or flight heightened. Again, this is another meditation that is very good for getting us back into a relaxed state, start to bring it back to the body, get the parasympathetic nervous system ignited so that we can come into equilibrium. We're going to start with just a few minutes. Once you get used to this meditation, build it up. You can build it up for as long as you want. It's challenging, so I can imagine anything over 11 minutes is probably going to be, pretty difficult. But again, in any practice in the meditation, if you need to relax your arms for a second, do that and then go back into it. But you do often reach this place where you'll totally transcend any of that resistance that is coming up. And you'll just feel your body just turn on and be able to hold the position. You're taking your fingers, thumbs, they're all together, 60 degrees, elbows locked, bending the wrists as far back as you can. It's a long inhale and exhale. You're just, as long as you can make it, if you can make it 20 seconds in, hold it for a little bit, and then 20 seconds out, that's great. The longer we breathe, the more we can come into the body. And really make sure that you're making the exhale the same as the inhale, because the exhale is also what stimulates the parasympathetic nervous system. So if you ever find, you can't really meditate or do anything, but you have your breath, inhale a few counts and then exhale double the counts. But we're going to really try to make that equal here. Your eyes are focused at the brow point or just relaxed, and they're just a tiny bit open. You're just relaxing, right? So come into the position. Spine nice and straight. You can sit on a pillow. You can sit with a pillow in between your knees. You can do this in a chair as well. There's no limitation here. You find the modifications that you need. Right? Eyes just 1/10 open. Focus them at the brow point. Really stiff elbows. Open the heart center. Shoulders are down. Chest is open. And breathe. Let your breath slow down with each inhale and exhale. And on every inhale and exhale, vibrate Sat Nam. Hear it at the third eye. On the inhale, hear it, Sat Nam. And on the exhale, vibrate it again, the whole phrase together, Sat Nam. Keep breathing. Breathe through the muscle. The muscle's going to start to ache. Stay with it. Keep focused. We're almost there. Now inhale, exhale completely, and suspend the breath out. Hold it out. Hold it out. This is so important. Keep holding. Inhale. Relax the arms down. Just relax. Feel the adjustment of the energy. Again, you can do that for as little as 3 minutes and then extend it for 11 minutes, 22 minutes if you're feeling really courageous. Satnam. You can find more videos, full classes at aquarianyogi.net in my monthly membership.